Most people assume high-yield banks always come with hidden catches, but the surprising truth about Prime Yield Bank in 2026 is how straightforward it remains. If you are looking for growth without gimmicks, this review matters. Prime Yield Bank is a digital-first bank focused on high-interest savings and simple checking. Its main appeal is consistently competitive yield rates paired with minimal fees. Unlike many platforms, Prime Yield avoids complicated reward structures and instead offers steady returns for disciplined savers. Opening an account is fast, and there are no minimum balance requirements for most users. The savings account compounds interest daily, which can make a noticeable difference over time. For example, long-term savers often see higher annual returns compared to traditional banks with near zero interest. Prime Yield also includes optional automation tools. Users can schedule recurring transfers, round up purchases into savings, and set emergency fund targets. These features are especially helpful for people who want to save without constantly thinking about it. One limitation is the lack of credit products. There are no loans, credit cards, or cash advances. Prime Yield is clearly designed for people who want to grow money, not borrow it. Customer support is online only, which may not suit everyone. Prime Yield Bank is best for savers who value stability, predictability, and clean design. It's not flashy, but that's part of its strength. In conclusion, Prime Yield Bank in 2026 is still worth it for anyone serious about saving and earning interest without distractions. If your goal is long-term growth and financial calm, this bank delivers. Subscribe for more clear, honest reviews that cut through the noise.